Hi everyone, myself Sanup. I'm hailing from Kerala. Many of you know that Kerala is the goat's own country, right? But if the situation in Kerala goes like this, within a couple of years, maybe Kerala known as dead zone country. You may wonder why I'm saying this. Because the six major districts in Kerala right now under a major risk because of one dam. It's known as Mullaperiyar Dam. Many of you already know about this Mullaperiyar Dam because it's on news for the last 20 or 30 years. It's a major dispute going on between the state Tamil Nadu and Kerala. It's just a water dispute, but the people outside of the Kerala or Tamil Nadu think that it's a state dispute or it's a kind of dispute that we can resolve on court. But it's not the dispute which affecting the states, but it's affecting the entire people in the Kerala. You can imagine almost 3 million people's life under risk because of this one dam. Even the United Nations itself already mentioned this thing on their report. You can see the report here. It's recently published by United Nations University and it's about the world's one of the oldest dam which already causing some damage to the people who living outside of the dam. So in the list you can find out that the only one dam included in the list from our country is this Mullaperiyar Dam. So you can now imagine how the situation is going on between this Mullaperiyar Dam and the surrounding places. Almost 3 million people. So what's going on between the states? That's a major things. The people are right now is worried and they are raising their concern. But none of the Kerala government or none of the opposition in Kerala or none of the Tamil Nadu government is not taking this as a serious matter. Because it's an ongoing matter in the court. The apex court already hearing the plea from both parties. But it's not about the verdict or it's not about the concern for this state issue. But it's a matter of 3 million people's life. Just imagine how the situation is right now. Already the people in Kerala survived the flood in 2018. In recently also there is a massive situation surrounded because of the sudden rainfall in various districts. But if the situation goes like this, it may create a catastrophic situation in Kerala. It's not only affecting the Kerala. It's scientifically proven thing that if the Mullaperiyar Dam break, it will also make collapse the Idukki Dam. And if the Idukki Dam collapse, the 6 districts in Kerala may be submerged on water. And the water came out from these dams may contain the potential energy that equivalent to the 180 times of Hiroshima atom bomb. And this massive force of water may create an impact on Indian Ocean and that may lead to a catastrophic situation in the coastal areas of southern India. It may be created a sudden rise in sea level up to Mumbai coast. So it's one of the major issue which we all need to be aware and which we all need to be talk. But no one is talking right now. It's clearly showing that it's a kind of time bomb which may be exploded at any time. But we are simply avoiding the fact and we are focusing on some other shit. Even the media itself, they are not taking it as a serious matter. Because it's not a kind of thing which will generate more viewers or the more TRP rating. That's why they are simply avoiding the topics. How many of you heard about the project DRIP? It's one of the major projects which is covering almost 200 dams across our country. It's a World Bank funded project and it's a kind of project which will focusing on the rehabilitation and improvement for the safety of the dams which is situated in India. Almost 1.3 billion US dollar invested on this project. But if you go through on this project, you can find out that the Mullaperiyar Dam is excluded from this list. Because it's a state level dispute. It's already on the court. That's why no one taking care about it. Even the Tamil Nadu government itself already blaming the Kerala government because they're saying that the Kerala government is not giving permission to repair and maintain this dam. The dam is already in control of Tamil Nadu government, but they are blaming Kerala government. Even the Kerala government itself, they are also blaming Tamil Nadu government. It will goes like it's as a cycle, but there is no solution till right now. Even Kerala government already put forward an offer to build a new dam, but Tamil Nadu government is not accepting. Because of some political situation in Tamil Nadu and some political situation in Kerala, it's a complicated situation they are creating. But we need to understand that this situation need to be changed. Because it's a matter of people's life. Please understood that. Even till now, only the common people is talking about this. No celebrities or not the politicians, nor the opposition parties, no one is talking about this. Even some politicians are right now, they are came to media and they're saying that the dam is safe and some others are saying that the dam is not safe. But it's a kind of debate thing. So no one is caring about this dam. Please, I am requesting you, everyone who is watching this video, please make sure that your friends and your family, everyone needs to be talk about this. You may think that's what's going to change if we're talking about this. But please understood that if we start talking about this, the people surrounding us will also start talking about this. It may create an awareness inside the politician's mind. Maybe they will also start talking about this. The opposition itself, they can also start talking about this. They're already acting as they don't seeing anything. But if the whole people started shouting for the change, it will definitely make an impact. So please understood that. I hope it will be resolved by the both parties, and it will be resolved for the sake of the people who is already in panic situation. Please do talk about this. So that's all. Thank you for watching this video. Jai Hind.